Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at Adaptive Trading EA, an expert advisor developed for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore its features and settings, review some historical backtesting results, and discuss how the system appears to operate based on the information provided by the developer. Starting here on the marketplace page, Adaptive Trading EA is currently listed at $30. The current version is 2.0, and according to the developer, this is a multi-currency expert advisor that uses a position averaging approach. The EA is designed to work on both 4-digit and 5-digit quote brokers, and the VPS is recommended for continuous operation. The developer recommends using the EA across multiple low spread currency pairs simultaneously. Some of the examples provided include Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD, NZD USD, Euro JPY, Euro GBP, and Euro CHF. Recommended timeframes range from M30 to H4. All right, from M30 up to H4. You can see that here. And the suggested minimum deposit is 1,000 units of the account's base currency. Looking through the features, one of the main functions is multi-currency trading. When enabled, the EA can manage positions across all charts where it is attached. The developer also explains that when a predefined profit target or drawdown level is reached, the EA can close all trades associated with the same magic number and then begin a new trading cycle. In the settings section, there are several risk and money management options available. Traders can choose automatic lot sizing based on account balance or use a fixed lot size. There are also parameters for profit targets, loss limits, pending order management, trailing functionality, and account level controls based on either currency values or percentage-based performance. Now, moving into the backtesting section, it is important to note that the developer specifically recommends enabling visual mode when testing the EA in the strategy tester. As always, longer testing periods can provide a broader perspective on historical performance across different market environments. So I'll still recommend running additional long-term testing yourself before making any decisions. Let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester right away. And as you can see, I'm testing the adaptive trading EA on Euro USD on the H4 time frame, one of the recommended pairs and recommended time frames. Then you can see that I'm testing the EA over the past month, for just about 1 week and 1 month and 1 week. And heading over to the results right now, we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was 3,889.28, and there were 13 trades taken. Short positions were 6 with 66.67% win rate. Long positions were 7 with 71.43% win rate. And the largest profit was 6,789.17. Largest loss was 8,765.22. The average profit 2,732.78. Average loss 5,176.44. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, judging from the average profit and average loss. And the win rate is not exactly very excellent. All right, even though it's quite okay, but the win rate is not excellent. But considering the fact that the win rate was okay, at least it was able to overshadow the bad risk to reward ratio and result in a positive net profit from 13 trades. So now let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode now, and we'll just keep the settings, right? So let's see the EA in action. Looking at the historical chart activity and the information provided, we can see that the EA uses position averaging as a core part of its design. Now, the settings also suggest that trade management revolves around adding positions according to predefined rules while monitoring overall profit and drawdown objectives. Beyond that, the exact entry and exit logic is not disclosed by the developer, so it's important not to assume details that aren't explicitly provided. Now, as for the historical backtest results, they should be viewed strictly as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Actual results can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, account size, risk settings, and user optimization. Now, before considering live deployment, I would strongly recommend testing the EA thoroughly on a demo account and experimenting with different settings to understand how it behaves under various market conditions. Okay, we can see the dashboard here showing the trades, the profit trades, the loss trades, the profit factor, the expected payoff, average profit, average loss, the growth, initial deposits, withdrawal balance, and equity, and also the waiting deals and waiting results. Okay, so from also what we can see as the EA is active, this is not the type to accumulate trades, stack a lot of trades. The EA seems to be taking its time to look for good opportunities in the market and execute accordingly, right? Based on the strategy, as we have already seen on the marketplace description. But overall, the adaptive trading EA offers multi-currency functionality, flexible risk controls, position averaging management, and a wide range of customizable parameters. As always, make sure you perform your own testing and due diligence before using any automated trading system in a live environment. So if you found any value in this video or if you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. And also don't forget to share the video with other trader friends who you feel are going to find it valuable as well. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.